This is Pat Walker, Mission Winners. We're making a video on the ETFs. Why do we make a video on the ETFs? Because I love to talk. No, I'm just kidding. Why? Hey, systematize things. You want to go where money can be made? Look where money's going. Common sense. Yeah, I want to buy some things that can go up in price. Look at what they're buying and look at the industry groups. So we look at the ETFs. Let's rock and roll. Here we go. Genomic, this was really strong with I'll shrink this a bit. This was really strong with COVID and it's lost some power right here. Maybe it'll start to lift off, but there's nothing there. This was really strong, lost a lot here on volume, just basing. What does this need to do, folks? You see the high on this bar? You see a high on this bar, basically the same price? You know what it needs to do? It needs to push through this top right here on heavy volume. Until that happens, you just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. But we'll be ready. Cloud computing, great run. Had a huge run back here. Guess what we were doing? Yeah, we own cloud computing stocks. Right now, not much happening, leaving it alone. Electric vehicles, starting to pick up again. This is nice to see. By the way, what was the two electric vehicle stocks we had? Tesla and NIO, quadruple. This is what we're looking for. Clean and simple base formations. What's I need to do? Take out those tops on volume. Electric vehicles, okay. Energy, just going sideways here, needs to start lifting. There's nothing real special here. Needs to take out the highs from Wednesday on volume. IBD 50 just flopping around here. You say, boy, that's a heavy volume bar, Pat. And it didn't do anything. Needs to start showing some life and push through the 50-day, folks. That's what it needs to do. Max list stocks, nice run here. Ran through these tops here, lifting up. And that's why we've been involved with Google, Amazon, NVIDIA, Facebook, Microsoft. There you go. Let's keep on rocking here. Gold, yeah, it's picking up a little bit here, but it's below the moving averages. It needs to start showing a little bit more life. Junior gold miners, lagging the 200-day, nothing there. Gold, lagging the 200-day, nothing there. Cybersecurity, just flopping around here. Needs to start showing. This is leadership here, folks. I want to show you something. This is leadership, okay? This is nothing. Not yet. Wait for it. Biotechnology was really strong with COVID, and now just kind of going sideways here. Needs to start. The air is better over the 50-day. How about that? Remember that. The air is better over the 50-day. North American technology picking up again. That's nice to see. Technology. Biotechnology. Medical, excuse me. That's picking up. Nice to see. Home builders has been strong for a while. There's a great lesson here. I've got to show you this. Right back here. It's the end of the world. And I'm not minimizing COVID, please. But back in here, it's the end of the world. And this thing put in a higher low and started to march. And march. Pulled back. And now it's basing. Basing. And then it does this. See that? Home builders. If the world's so bad, then why are home builders doing so bad? And again, I'm not minimizing COVID-19. That's not the point. The point is this. Don't focus on the news headlines. Focus on the charts, price and volume. That's where money can be made. All right? Owns a lot of the max list stocks. Look at this lifting up. And guess what? Surprise, surprise. Yeah, we've been involved with some max list stocks. Sweet potato pie. There we go. Small cap. Shelf right here. Maybe it'll start to pick up. Wouldn't that be nice to see? Rally spread. Now, airline stocks had a good run here. Just chopping around. Still above the rising 50-day. That's okay. Mid-cap stocks are doing okay, hitting highs. That's good. What's that show? The rallies spread into other areas. Not just the big ones. Other areas. Oil services, nothing. Below the moving averages. Nothing to do with it now. Software had a great run. Needs to lift through the 50-day. That would be nice to see. It's not the end of the world yet, so that's good. Look at this. QLD, NASDAQ 100, VIPs on this. Look at the run. Isn't that nice? That's good to see. QQQ, same situation. Another cloud computing ETF. Had a great run. Needs to get some life in it and take out this top bar right here. That would be good to see. Silver, it's okay. Like gold, nothing special. Steel's hanging in there. How do you build things with steel? Doing fine. We own this. We'll see what happens. SMH has a cup with a handle formation going on here, folks. Here's the cup, and here's the handle. And what would we like to see? You can see the cup. Take this out in here. Take out that line on volume. That would be good. Is it going to? Nobody knows the future. We don't forecast emission winners. We get in line with what is. But after looking at millions of charts, literally, you got a really good idea what to look for. There you go. Spiders, nice trend. Good to see. SSO, nice trend. Locked it in, locks them in. Trending, good shape. Solar, what do you see here, folks? Nothing. I'm going to buy a solar stock. Why? Why? Strength begets strength. Buy strength. Don't bottom fish. TNA, small caps, maybe it'll start to lift up. Good to see. Aerospace and defense, hanging in there. Nice to see. Biotech, what does this tell you? In 1 second, what does this tell you? I don't think I'm going to buy any biotech stocks. Thank you. Home builders, strong. That's nice to see. And it's been moving nicely. Home builders, good move. But basic materials, material stocks, isn't that nice? You know what's done really well, kind of related to this? I showed it in another video. Home Depot, XLC, and Lowe's too. Communications hanging in, that's fine. Energy just basing, maybe it'll start to pick up. Financials are hanging in. Folks, if the world's going to end, that sounds bad to say. No, if the markets are really going to start getting cracked down hard, you're going to start seeing financials drop too. And they're not. Look at this. They're right here at all-time highs. That's nice to see. Let's double check this. Yeah, they're at all-time highs. Isn't that nice? That's sweet potato pie. There you go. Industrials, doing fine. Technology, picking up. That's why we've been more involved with technology. Like to see that. Consumer staples, doing fine. Utilities, look at this. Picking up. Good to see. Healthcare, cup and a handle formation, right? Lifting up. It's good. Now, you say, well, I don't own it. That's okay, but what does it tell you? Hey, maybe healthcare stocks are a good thing to look at. By doing this, it tells you what to focus on and what to avoid. Isn't that great? Huge time saver. You know, folks, let's be pragmatic. We only have a limited amount of time, and we only have a limited amount of money. Let's use both wisely. True? Be a good steward of both. Can't stress that enough. Consumer discretionary, fine. Metals and mining, maybe it'll start to lift up. We're about done here. Retail, hanging in fine. Retail, doing good. We're about done here. Excuse me. Yeah, retail, fine. Software, good. Look at that, fine. And we go back up to the top. Anyway, folks, that frames up a lot of things. What's the big picture here? There's many pockets of strength in the economy that the ETFs, and naturally by default, if the ETF's doing okay, the stocks they own are doing okay. And it tells us what to look at, where to focus our money and our efforts, and things to avoid. Isn't that what you want? Hey, it's what I want. I mean, right here, looks pretty dang good to me. Okay, I can rock and roll with that. Do that, and you'll be light years ahead of other people.
Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit like. Maybe hit that subscribe button. We come up with new content nearly every day. Also, check out the videos on the right. YouTube recommends the one on the top, and the bottom one is something we thought you might enjoy. See you next time.